Hi guys, Jeffrey here, and I want to share with you our Marketing DAO calendar. This is more than just an 12-month calendar. This is a motivational calendar. It is pretty much a business plan and a marketing outline that you can work with for the next 12 months, or in fact, for any length of time for that matter, because we put together this marketing calendar for you that shows you things that you could be doing in your practice to help attract patients via social media, via your Facebook, via your website, sending out emails, and communicating to them on specific days of the month or even the year about specific health topics that they might be familiar or might be curious about. I put this together for you to give you a very simple version of how you can market your practice without doing too much of racking your brain on trying to figure out what it is that you could be doing and when you should be doing specific things in order to be, marketing and doing that business end of growing your practice. So each of these pages has on here, they have a specific topics that we're rolling with. So every month we have a tip of the month that happens, and each of those tips are very digestible, different things that you could be doing each month to help grow your practice. We also broke it down on here. If you notice, we have a little Facebook icon, a Google Plus icon, and a Twitter icon, and that gives you an idea that you could use this information here on those media channels. Over here is some information that you could use to send an email to your patients. Here we have some other information on our resource page. So here, something that you could do on Facebook, something you could do on Google Plus, something you could do on Twitter, something you could do and find some more information in our research center to help support this topic over here. So each and every month we go into specific ways on this calendar that are helpful. For instance, in March, we talked about Patient Safety Awareness Week. And Patient Safety Awareness Week begins March 1st, and it goes for a whole week, and we give you some ideas and ways at which you can use that to start attracting people and create an awareness in your practice. Also, as we go on further, we talk about National Well Elderly Week. So there's a week when it's about seniors and bringing in awareness to seniors that acupuncture might be able to help them. We gave you some tools in here that you could use with Facebook, Google Plus, Twitter, and also an email that you can send out to your patients with regards to that. We went ahead and worked with the National Health Observance Days and mapped out the calendar and put some specific observance days on here according to that. We also gave you just really pretty much tidbits and very simple strategies that you could be working with in your practice right away. The beautiful thing about this calendar is it doesn't matter if you use it for the whole year of 2016, but you could use it for every single year thereafter. Just keep it around and you'll be able to know what kinds of marketing activities you can start accomplishing every single month. This is by far the most cost-effective coach that you could have sitting right next to you every single day in your practice. When you're wondering about what you should be doing in your practice to keep the momentum moving forward, if you don't have a mentor, if you don't have a business coach, if you don't have a sounding board, this is the next best thing. It's less than a lunch, and you can use it all year long to grow your business. There are over 500 tips in here, and we worked with all the different observance days to give you something that you can use year in and year out to help grow your practice. So click on the link below here and check out the Marketing DAO calendar. They're going to be on sale for a little longer, and I'd love to get one in your hands. And if you have any questions, just reach out and let me know. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.